This new Gen Tacoma owner came to us experiencing power loss after adding aftermarket accessories such as recovery gear, a rooftop tent, and camping equipment. We had exactly what was needed. Your 4x4 leaves the factory with meticulously engineered gear ratios to fit factory-sized tires at factory-designated weights. Our differential gears are specially designed for each vehicle to reduce the wear on your transmission and provide more power and fuel economy.